Hi guys, where's my daddy? I miss him so much. So busy lately. Love you, Danny. So tired. Danny wants some attention.
Danny, look. Jeez. Good boy.
Good boy, Danny.
Danny been a good boy today. He's always squawking. Sometimes he's a bad boy, sometimes he's a good boy. He just keeps squawking. That's why we really love him, because he's a parrot. He's a Lexus parrot. We love him so much. He's getting a bit tired.
Tulog na ka, Danny. Wanna go to sleep now? You wanna sleep there? Huh? I love you.
I think Danny's cozy there.
You're cozy over there?
I think so.
Why are you cozy over there? You wanna go to sleep there? I think she wanna sleep with us tonight.
Yeah, I think so.
He's closing his eyes. Her favorite time to sleep with Mom and
Daddy?
Mom and Dad.
And I'm only 5 years old. We own birds. And I make channels
Sige na.
with birds. So, can you say bye, Danny?
Bye,
Say
Daddy. Tulog na ka diha.
Bye.
Diha na ka.
Say bye, Mom.
Bye-bye, guys. It's tired. You gonna go to sleep there, huh?
Bye, guys. Well, thank you for being at Danny's.
Bye.
Mommy.
Tulog na, Danny.